Welcome to Technologibias, your hub for tech secrets and tips. Today, we're diving deep into the command prompt, or CMD, unveiling hidden tricks that will blow your mind. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a casual user, these tricks will level up your tech game. Let's get started. Create a hidden folder. Open CMD and type a trib plus h plus s folder underscore name. This hides your folder, and you can unhide it any time by replacing plus with. Great for securing private files. Encrypt files with ease. Navigate to the files directory and type cipher E. This encrypts your files and keeps them safe. Only your account can access the encrypted files. Find saved Wi-Fi passwords. Run this command, networkchuck show profiles. Then, to view a specific network's password, type networkchuck show profile name equals Wi-Fi underscore name key equals clear. The password is displayed under key content. Use responsibly. Add colors to your CMD. Type color. To see available codes, for example, color OA. This gives you green text on a black background. Experiment with combinations to find your favorite look. Want to see all your PC's specs? Type System Info. CMD will show you your operating system, processor, RAM, and more all in one place. Want to check your internet connection without opening a browser? Type pinggoogle.com. CMD sends test packets to Google's server and shows you the response time. Please brother like and subscribe my channel. I need your help.